welcome back to Lucky Diamond Slots. We're gonna play a little bit of Medusa. So did you guys ever play it? I'm playing $4 a spin. Pretty good. I've got 13 spins. I got into the bonus round. Let's see what we can do. There she goes again. She keeps powering up. Go, 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 go. Look at all these things. Holy smokes. Never seen this before. Medusa. Come on, here we go. 2 lines up. Very cool. Come on. Bang. Good job. Come on, Medusa. Bang. Now you hit something. Oh, there it goes. There's 32. Come on, baby. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Last spin. We just, come on. We need one more Medusa. Come on, lucky dog. There she goes. Power up. Medusa. Come on, give me it. Go. That's very cool. Here we go. Can we get another one? Come on, we would like to hit on that money ball. Come on, money ball. Hit it up there. Oh, that's it. Three of 13 spins. Very cool. I apologize if it's a little hard to film. Pretty excited though to hit this. I feel like I might hit something good here. That's why I wanted to film it for you guys. She's got the golden touch today. So you have to get Medusa on the left and show all her, and then she'll come down. Or if you get 3 of the snakes, that's what gives you your free games. Come on, we're not hitting anything now, are we? Come on, go up. Power up. She's got that mesmerizing eyes. Alright, last spin. Will she come up for us? That's it. Good job. Not bad. On a $4 bet.
The power of Medusa.
Wasn't she colorful? Alright guys, thanks for watching. You want to see something different? I just wanted to film this. I've never filmed her before. It's a lightning link. Alright. Good luck, sweetheart. Have a good one. We'll see you guys soon.